Ships connect countries around the world and support our global economy. It's essential for ships, which must safely and reliably transport all kinds of goods that make our lives better, to increase energy efficiency and environmental performance. MOL Techno-Trade's Propeller Boss Cap Fins, or PBCF, address this issue. PBCF is a pioneering energy-saving device for vessels, co-developed by Mitsui OSK Lines, West Japan Fluid Engineering Laboratory, and Mikado Propeller in 1987. Its original design, as well as the technological innovation that has gone into its development, is highly regarded, and the PBCF has been patented in various countries around the world. R&D on ways to refine and upgrade the technology has continued to the present day, and a new type of PBCF was introduced in 2017. Today, all around the world, thousands of ships have been equipped with PBCF. Let's look at the PBCF's characteristics. It improves propulsive efficiency by recovering energy from the hub vortex generated behind the rotating propeller, resulting in significantly higher fuel efficiency. With conventional boss caps, the rotation of the propeller creates a strong vortex behind the propeller boss. This hub vortex reduces the propulsive efficiency of the propeller. With the PBCF installed, the fins on the surface break up the hub vortex, resulting in increased thrust, reduced shaft torque, and improved propeller efficiency. Furthermore, the shape and height of the fins were optimized in the upgraded PBCF to further increase thrust and reduce torque, resulting in 5% energy savings. On a large-scale container ship, that adds up to an annual reduction of more than 9,000 tons of carbon dioxide emissions. The improvement in fuel efficiency has economic advantages as well. Thanks to the fuel savings, ship owners can recoup the cost of PBCF purchase and installation in less than a year for most vessels. The PBCF can be installed not only on new building vessels, but also on ships in service. It requires no renovation or welding work on the hull and is adaptable to any size or type of ship. Because of its rugged, simple structure, it is maintenance-free, and its economic effect is virtually endless. In addition, water tank tests and ship trial evaluation confirm a 3% energy savings in combination with energy-saving fins and ducts, and a 1.5% savings in combination with a rudder bulb. MOL Tech proactively continues to innovate, developing hybrid combinations of the PBCF and other energy-saving devices. Another benefit of the PBCF is a reduction in stern vibration and underwater noise, which protects marine mammals such as dolphins and whales. The PBCF has earned various certifications and environmental technology awards for its multifaceted contributions to environmental protection, in addition to energy saving and CO2 reduction. The PBCF even earned recognition from Guinness World Records as the best-selling energy-saving ship appendage brand. The shipping industry today must take increasingly sophisticated measures to protect the environment. The PBCF, saving energy, reducing CO2, protecting the marine environment, and generating high economic efficiency, continues to evolve even now, as vessels around the globe sail into a brighter tomorrow.